Hi, I'm Daryl Ong.
Hi, I'm Isabel Ong.
And welcome to Ong Shopping. And mag-unbox kami ng in-order ko na Evee Multifunction Water Dispenser Coffee and Tea Bar. Yan, pwede sa coffee, pwede din sa tea. Kasi mahilig talaga ako magkape dati pa, especially nung nagbabanda pa ako, pang pagising namin sa gig ang kape. Ikaw Isabel, nagko-coffee ka na? Bawal pa si Isabel.
I'm only drinking Milo.
So ngayon, tutulungan ako ni Isabel mag-unbox ng in-order namin Evee set. Yay! Ready ka na mag-unbox?
Yep.
Okay. Natin. Ay, baliktad ba? Tama. Kala ko baliktad. Nabahan ako. Okay, so sirain na lang natin yung box.
Are you sure? Are you
Yes.
sure I can fit in there?
You can fit in the box. Isabel, help me.
Okay.
Yay!
Bye! I'm going in.
So guys, ito na yung Evee Multifunction Water Dispenser Coffee and Tea Bar. So kita nyo naman kung gaano ka minimalistic ang design, pero elegante tingnan. Thank you so much Evee. Excited na kami gamitin to. Excited na kami magkape-kape dito sa bahay.
Thank you.
Ano to? Ref ba to?
Thank you.
So ito.
This is what I call the hiding spot.
So,
This is like a ref.
yeah, it looks like a ref, no?
The
I think
faucet.
dito yung faucet, dito lumalabas yung water.
That looks like a sink.
Ito natin.
That looks like a sink, Kuya.
Sorry.
This is how you turn it on. You just switch it on the back.
So, ito naman yung pinaka ang tawag dito? Kettle.
I thought it was in the inbox.
Wow! Diba? So, dito niyo i-place yung kettle pa papainit kayo ng
Wow!
water.
Maybe to inbox the last one.
Yes. Ito na yung ayan.
Where's the last?
Ito yung para sa tsaa or sa coffee. Yeah, so dito niyo ilalagay. So yung water supply niyo dito niyo ilalagay.
Hello from there. I'm
Dito niyo ilalagay
trying to
yung
hook up to my kettle.
tank ng tubig. So sara na natin yung mahiwagang ref. So ayan na ang aming Evee set. Ayan guys, tapos na kami mag-unbox ni Isabel ng aming Evee Multifunction Water Dispenser Tea and Coffee Bar. So mamayang gabi gagamitin na namin to. And please don't forget to follow them sa Instagram. That's Evee. And search nyo rin sa Facebook. Maraming salamat Evee. Thank you. Okay ka na.
Bye-bye.
Ong, 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 shopping.
Wait, wait, wait.